Melody, you come in here.
Is this a brother or a?
Brother.
Oh, wow.
Big brother.
You got a big sister and a big brother? What a lucky girl. What a lucky girl.
Listen to her. Eileen, you'll be lucky if that's the kind of cry you get all the time, but I don't think that's going to happen. Who? Maybe I don't remember. Yeah, that I remember.
All right. I think you're
Oh,
done.
she's so pretty. Nan, she's white like you are. Hunter was darker. Huh.
She looks like pieces, but
Okay, you're rinsed. You had a bath and a shower.
Aww.
oh, I tell you.
Yeah.
And we'll get you all done.
Go see your mom.
Yeah, go see your mom.
Now you're tired of them flashes in your face.
You guys must be